has been going on for a while, and it has to stop. So they think that you need to press charges on this matter, not just for yourself, but to make a statement so that they know that, look, people can't just be allowed to take laws into their hands. Are you going to do that?
Well, I'm already doing that, I'm already doing that. But just like to make something clear. I don't want vengeance through maybe the cops that bullied me or beat me up. I don't want vengeance by them maybe going to jail or maybe losing their jobs or whatever I can't provide for their families. The satisfaction that I will get is to see that I did not suffer for anything, and it has to come with change. Many minds are enslaved on the continent of Africa still. Many South Africans too. There are beautiful people here, but many people are not well informed enough. So I see those cops, that did that stuff, that they should be ashamed of themselves. I think they just don't know. They don't know enough or nothing at all, because it's not even good for them,
Well,
so I will press charges, but I have what I want. I know what my dad would have advised me about or to do if he was alive, and that is what I'm keeping in my chest right now. I just want the total cooperation of the Nigerian embassy on this. But definitely, this is not something that I will just fold my arms and let go scot-free. But we should also understand that at the end of the day, I'm a person. I have my own life. I have my own family. So I have to do things my way and a way that does not expose me to more danger or that would jeopardize my career.
What has happened? You said all is forgiven. In fact, the video you put out, you said, you know what, two wrongs cannot make a right. And
yes.
In fact, you have chosen to stay back in South Africa and continue with your business. So the question is, why? And then what's the ideal South Africa of your dream?
South Africa at this moment and Nigeria, I'm a Nigerian first, so Nigeria is in my heart, and my spirit of patriotism is inside my heart. I can't really say the government has ever done much for me in life, and many Nigerian youths feel that way too, but the love that we have for Nigeria, no other passport of any country in the world can give me that kind of satisfaction that I have from being a Nigerian. But also South Africa, this is a country that I came to as a young chap at the age of 22. I suffered there like everybody did in their households until I became somebody today. And today I'm also a father of two Nigerian big boys, whose their mom is from South Africa. So I can never take South Africa away from my life forever, even if I can leave now and say, okay, let me run away. So what I want is, we want a beautiful South Africa. I want to also remove the stigma from South Africa, so cooperation of the both countries is what I need. So that's why I'm saying I don't want to do it just in a way of like being too harsh about it, saying, okay, because I'm a Nigerian and I'm fighting for the rights of Nigerians only, and then I must put South Africa in a bad debt, so that is not my intention. I want South Africa to be ashamed of what is going on. It's very ugly. It's very, very ugly. And they just sit back. They're not anything about it. We also have a government that most of our youths are losing hopes in. Like most of our youths in Nigeria don't believe in the system. They feel that they don't care about us. I mean, just look at me. I'm a father. I'm a breadwinner to many. Many people look up to me. I'm a future leader. Imagine, so someone should not be more superior to me because they come from another country and their country.
All right, Tayo. Perfectly understand, your thoughts there, not wanting to make it come across as though it's vengeance, but he's a law-abiding person, resident in South Africa, so those who are supposed to obey the law shouldn't be seen to take laws into their hands. But there are South Africans who don't like what is going on as well. So they themselves like to see this come to an end. So nothing wrong in pressing charges. Well, thank you very much indeed, Tayo. And we will be in touch with you to keep getting your perspectives on this matter. So the Nigerian ambassador, the Nigerian authorities need to also follow up on that. Well, that is the show today. We thank you all for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm Chamberlain.